inside. This is a Luxe room in the North Tower on the 19th floor. The room is bright, spacious and airy. It has modern furniture. The king bed is super comfy. It's got a nice fresh smell to the room, so you can tell it has been recently renovated, and it's a big improvement on the standard Dulux rooms. The bathroom is an unusual shape, but it's got a pretty large standalone shower and lots of storage space around the sink. There's a safe in the bathroom, which is different, but I'm absolutely fine with this. Moving back to the room, we have a separate seating area and a desk space. Storage in the room is pretty good, plenty of drawers, and we have a single closet. There isn't a minibar, but there is a fridge, which is always useful. There's tons of sockets and USB ports around the room to charge your stuff. We have complimentary coffee and water. And the room is at the back of the hotel, so the view of the Carl and Main Street Station Hotel, and of course we've got the beautiful mountains surrounding us. It's an outstanding location right at the top of Fremont Street, and with the recent investments at the Plaza, it's a really good option for your stay in downtown Vegas. If we was to book this room this weekend, for the days we're staying, it'd be a total of $338, which is inclusive of resort fees and taxes. Like and subscribe for more Vegas and Manchester content. It's free to do, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.